If you are seeing the Instagram page isn't available right now error, here's how to fix it. First, check if the account or post still exists. If you are trying to visit a profile or post, it may have been deleted, disabled, or restricted by Instagram. Try searching for the username or post from a different account to confirm. Next, check if Instagram is down. Sometimes Instagram experiences temporary server issues. Visit Down Detector or check Twitter for updates. If Instagram is having problems, you'll need to wait for it to be solved. If the page should be available but isn't loading, refresh your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Restart your router or try a different network. Slow or unstable connections can prevent Instagram from loading properly. Try clearing your Instagram cache. Go to Settings, Apps, App Management, find Instagram in the list. Tap on it. Tap on Storage, then tap Clear Cache. If the issue occurs when trying to access your own profile, log out and back in. You can also try logging in from a different device or browser. If you are using a VPN, disable it as Instagram might block certain IP addresses. If your account is temporarily disabled or restricted, go to Instagram Help Center at help.instagram.com and check for any policy violation. If needed, you can submit an appeal to restore access. If nothing works, contact Instagram support through Settings, Help, report a problem, and explain the issue. That's it. Hopefully your Instagram page will be accessible again. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram fixes.